This is a brand new way to make passive income using Leonardo AI and ChatGPT. Let me explain the business model so that you can start generating passive income with the comfort of your home. Basically, we are creating a digital product and sell that on Etsy to generate passive income. Firstly, go to erank.com, a free keyword research tool for Etsy. Click on Trends Buzz. It will show you all the trending keywords on Etsy in the United States. Click on Minimalist and search Minimalist Wallpaper. As you can see, this keyword has low competition and a high search volume. More than 16,000 people are searching for this keyword. I would definitely go for it. Now we are going to generate the Leonardo AI prompt using a free AI tool. Go on Google and search for AI PRM Chrome extension. Add this extension to your browser. Once you downloaded the extension, the ChatGPT home page will look like this. Now click on Midjourney Prompt Generator and enter the keyword you want the prompt to be generated about. In my case, I will write Minimalist Wallpaper Pastel Design. Now AI will start generating different high-quality prompts for you. I like the first one. Copy the prompt you want to use. Go to Leonardo AI and paste the prompt. Make sure to select the aspect ratio to 16:9 to generate a horizontal image. Click on Generate button. Then the AI will start generating high-quality images for you. Download the image you want to use. Now, before uploading the wallpaper on Etsy, you have to resize it. Go to canva.com and search for desktop wallpaper. Click the blank template. Now wait until the canvas loads. Upload the wallpaper design and resize it. Now download the resized image. Now we'll set up our Etsy shop. The first thing you need to do to open an Etsy shop is to create an Etsy account. To do this, click on the link in the description. This will take you to a page where you can create your account for free. Once you have created your account, you will need to fill out your profile. This includes your language, country, and currency. You will also need to choose a shop name. This should be something that reflects your brand and what you sell. Make sure it's not already taken and that it's easy to remember. Once you have chosen your shop name, it's time to create your first listing. Fill out the information about your product. This includes the title, description, and price. Make sure you use keywords in your title and description that potential buyers might use when searching for your product. Keep in mind that you have selected a digital product. Next, upload your product. Once you have filled out all the information about your product, click on the Publish button to make your listing live. Your shop is now live. Once you create an account on Etsy, you will get 40 free listings. I recommend you to do your own research, like what I have did. There are many digital products like printable flashcards, digital planners, desktop wallpapers that you can sell. Keep in mind that making money online takes a lot of time and effort. Just stay consistent and hopefully start seeing some results. That's it for today's video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel, and I'll see you soon.